Looking for a motherboard that keeps up with the latest Intel Core X series processors? The Intel X299 LGA2066 socket is designed to deliver maximum connectivity and blazing speeds, supporting up to 3M. 2 drives, USB 3. 2 Gen 2, Intel VROC, and Intel Optane memory compatibility. This means faster data transfers and smoother multitasking for demanding tasks. What sets this motherboard apart is its robust power design. Equipped with 12 IR3555 power stages, ProCool 2 connectors, alloy chokes, and ultra-durable capacitors, it ensures stable and efficient power delivery. This foundation supports your CPU's full potential without hiccups, even under heavy workloads or overclocking sessions. Heat can throttle performance, but the comprehensive cooling solution here tackles that head-on. An ultra-efficient heatsink cools M2 SSDs by up to 20 degrees Celsius, preventing slowdowns during intense data transfers. Plus, an array of fan headers and options for water pump or AIO cooling give you full control over system temperatures and reliability. Connectivity is future-proof with Intel Optane memory readiness, Intel VROC support, dual M2 slots, multi-GPU support, and USB 3. 2 Gen Type-C. Whether you're building a powerhouse for gaming, content creation, or professional use, this motherboard keeps you connected and ready for whatever comes next. Worth a look if you want a seamless setup that grows with your needs. Overclocking gets easier with AI-driven optimization that fine-tunes CPU performance based on your processor and cooler. The results rival expert manual tuning, saving you time while pushing your system's limits safely and efficiently. It's smart, fast, and effective for anyone wanting that extra edge. Customization is another highlight. ASUS exclusive Aura Sync RGB lighting offers unmatched personalization with RGB headers and addressable Gen 2 RGB headers. You can craft a unique look that matches your style without complicated setups, making your build stand out visually as well as technically. Sound quality doesn't take a backseat. Industry-leading audio with Crystal Sound 3 and DTS Sound Unbound delivers crystal clear, powerful sound. Whether gaming or streaming, you get immersive audio that enhances every experience without distortion or noise. Building your system is hassle-free thanks to DIY-friendly features like a pre-mounted I/O shield, Flex Key, ASUS Safe Slot, ASUS Node Connector, and BIOS Flashback. These thoughtful touches simplify installation and upgrades, letting you focus on what matters, enjoying your new build. If that's you, this motherboard offers a balanced mix of power, reliability, and ease. Top reviews from the United States confirm its quality. One user shared how these boards made installing Windows 11 effortless once the BIOS was configured. Writing this on a freshly installed Win 11 Pro, they praised the smooth experience and reliability. This kind of feedback speaks volumes about the real-world performance you can expect. Ready to elevate your build? The Intel X299 LGA2066 motherboard combines cutting-edge technology, stable power, advanced cooling, and user-friendly features in one package. Whether upgrading or building from scratch, it's a solid foundation for a high-performance PC. Try it when you're ready to unlock your system's full potential.